In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the "this site can't provide a secure connection" error in Microsoft Edge. This is a common issue many users encounter, and luckily there are several effective solutions that can help you get back on track. First, let's start with updating Microsoft Edge, as this is often a simple yet effective solution for a variety of issues. Open Edge and go to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots which indicate the Settings and More menu. Click on it, then select Settings. From there, navigate to About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Keeping your browser updated is crucial as it ensures that you have the latest security patches and performance improvements. Next, we're going to clear the browser's cache and cookies. Staying in the Settings menu, head over to Privacy, Search and Services, and then scroll down to find Clear Browsing Data. Clearing cookies and cache can resolve issues caused by corrupted data that might be hindering your connection. Once there, select the options you want to clear and hit Clear Now. Doing this routinely can also help keep your browser running smoothly. Moving on, let's deal with browser extensions which can sometimes cause conflicts. Return to the Settings and More menu and select Extensions. Here you can manage your installed extensions, disable any that you suspect might be causing the issue or that are unnecessary. Troublesome extensions can often interfere with network security settings, so it's good to keep them in check. If that doesn't work, you might want to consider resetting your browser settings to default. This can help resolve persistent configuration issues. To do this, go back to Settings, choose Reset Settings, and then select Restore Settings to their default values. Bear in mind this will disable extensions, clear cookies, and reset default settings. Another simple step is to check your system date and time. An incorrect date and time can lead to SSL errors, which are a common cause of this problem. Simply go to your system settings and ensure they're correct. Now, let's flush the DNS cache to rule out any network cache issues. Open the command prompt as an administrator. To do that, type CMD in the Windows search bar, right click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator, then type in ipconfig flush DNS and hit enter. This will clear your DNS cache, which may solve connection errors related to invalid or outdated DNS data. Lastly, if all else fails, consider temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. These security programs can sometimes mistakenly block secure connections. If you suspect this might be the case, try turning them off temporarily and see if the issue persists. Remember to turn them back on afterward to keep your system protected. By following these steps, you can usually resolve the "this site can't provide a secure connection" error in Microsoft Edge and restore secure browsing.